I do that.
Everybody type IV in the chat. Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Suck my. This jet's trying to pass me. Should I let that happen? He's probably gonna think it's a gun. Alex, put that gun away. What if I sink?
Oh yeah. Should have brought the fishing pole.
I can't come back.
I'm just gonna toss it up there.
Catch me.
I'm out here. Huh? No. But I do feel this thing losing air. I'm out here, you know. It's actually pretty cozy. No. He's shooting at me. Alex, you gotta come out here on a kayak.
Right now?
Yeah. Dude, it is actually very peaceful out here. There's just so many bugs. I don't know if you guys can see, but bro, this shit is fucking losing. Bro, this thing is losing air like crazy. I feel like I'm gonna start sinking. Oh shit, it's bad. I'm far away. I am so far. God, these bugs. Stay put. If I stay put, I think I'll be fine. Help! Wait. I'm literally just spinning in circles right now. Can you guys see me? Make sure the view's good. You're not looking at my wiener. Oh shit. Yeah, we're losing air. Oh god. I'm taking in water. Alex, I'm taking in water. I'm going down. I'm taking. Oh no. Oh. Time to hit the road. What is that sound? Sir, on the kayak, please save me. Dude, I literally hear it going. Ee! I don't know where to go. I need like an anchor on this thing. Oh crap. Dip my hair in the water. I gotta keep refilling it. You know what? We're gonna thug it out. If I run out of air out here, I'll swim back. I'm speedrunning out there. Drip. Oh. That's it. Bumper boat.
Wait, what?
Oh my gosh. Dude, I literally just keep hearing it sizzling, losing water, or losing air.
Nice joust.
Alright. They're looking at my toes. Ugh. Oh no. Oh. Icky. Oh, I'm gonna crash. I got water in my eyeball. Oh. I should invest in better air mattresses. Oh, it's all dirty. Ah! That doesn't sound too good. Oh, it's got a big hole in it. I'm going down. I don't think that's supposed to do that. Well, captain goes down with this ship. I got the rescue boat. Sir, save me. Bet you've never seen a hot tub like this. A big hole appeared in it, and then I started sinking. But I don't have the duct tape anymore. Actually, I do. Yeah, there's a big hole in it right here. Duct tape. I got some in my car. Go get some duct tape. Alex, catch.
What? How you gonna get back now? Didn't think about that one too well, did you?
Here, when you come back, I'll line you up and then push you towards it. Got one chance.
One chance. Seize the moment.
I'm hopping on. I'm hopping on the back.
There's a back?
No.
Do you think this could hold me?
Hell no! And we're off. Ah! Oh my god! You gotta be super still, Alex.
Go!
Oh my god! This was a terrible idea. I'm gonna fall out. Okay, Alex, watch this. I'm abandoning ship. Oh my god. Oh. Holy.
Maybe I need to be one with nature.
Oh, I'm good. Is that hot tub ready? I had to abandon ship out there.
What do you got here?
Nice, sailboat.
You're a freaking.
I liked your.
You're a sailor.
I like-
a teardrop right here.
I gotta get like 4 of them.
Yeah, well, obviously.
Let me go get the duct tape. We live? We recording? What do you want? Oh! Fuck you. Hey. Haha. That didn't do anything. This dude's trying to kill me. Little does he know, I'm opium. Hey, it's going right. Hey! What the? Bye-bye! I thought it was gonna like sink fully. There's a puddle of water on me right now.
Who are you gonna interview next? Get in there, Alex.
I'm interviewing you.
Oh, wow.
Get in it.
No.
We're not asking politely either.
Looking Beavis over here is getting angry.
Alex, do you want a beer?
Oh, okay.
Egg wall. Egg wall.
It's nice to finally meet you, Jared. I've heard only good things. Watch this, watch this.
What? Dang, you need a kiss?
Yeah.
You need a kiss.
Dude, how do you sleep in your bed?
I'd fuck Alex.
Huh?
Do you sleep in your bed?
Spent one assist, that's 2 watch.